This is Wednesday, August 6th. This is the live Chakra Attunement with WisdomWord. And we just had a little talk about the current energies and the intensity of them. We're building towards a full moon at the end of the week. And I bet you can start to feel it already because it's a very aspected, highly aspected full moon. So there's a lot of our stars and planets and asteroids and centaurs that are really interactive with this full moon and illuminated by it. So lots of energy coming up and lots of scales can be falling from the eyes. Things can begin to get clearer for you, which is a good thing. So as we breathe in and we breathe out right now, focus on your spinal cord. The outward breath, focusing on yourself, relaxing deeper into the body. The inward breath, moving the energy up the spine and through the top of the head, surrounding the body in the container of light above the head, below the feet, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. And taking a few more deep breaths in, let's focus on the energy of Kuan Yin, the compassionate one in the garden. Breathing in, breathing out. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, I call on you to help me love and accept myself fully. I ask that you grant me a full measure of compassion for myself and others, and I pray that those suffering in the world can see and feel your loving presence. I pray that hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassionate understanding. I pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour over the earth will nourish the seeds of love and compassion in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is my intention to nourish the garden within myself through prayer, meditation, right thinking. In my heart, my garden flourishes, filling up and spilling over with the fragrance of the garden. Thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in my life and in my world. And continuing to breathe, drawing that breath in deeply, deeply, focusing on that visual of Kuan Yin wrapping her arms around the earth, people on the earth sprouting gardens in their hearts, and the flowers just expanding and spilling out, and that fragrance just bringing peace, harmony, balance back to our souls, our hearts, our minds. Breathing in, breathing out. Surround your body in the container of light, below your feet, above your head, in front of your body, behind, to the right and the left. And as you continue to breathe, knowing that your auric field and your physical body and all the subtle body layers are encased in this force field container of light that you create, you put up, you set the intentions for, you program the energy of it, what you need to experience, what you don't need to experience, what you need to stay concentrated, awake, aware. Breathing in, breathing out, dropping your attention to the root chakra at the lower part of the spine, focusing on the red. Remembering your exercise sound, the low-toned Om, and Lam for the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Focus on the red. Om Lam Lam. Red energy, vital force down the legs to the bottom of the feet, connecting you to the new healed home, Mother Earth. Om Lam Lam. And breathing in and out. We're moving up to the belly, the navel area, where we mentioned on Monday, just is a lot going on in this second chakra for everyone. So being aware of your navel area, you might even want to lay a palm of a hand over the navel, breathing in and out, visualizing that orange, drawing it into your auric field with your meditative concentration and the power of your breath, breathing in, breathing out. And this is the medium-toned Om. The medium-toned Om and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam, Vam, with a V. Vam, Vam, Om, Vam. And let's do the mantra for the second chakra again, really visualizing this like an orange flower just blossoming out from your navel and spreading out through the body into the field, connecting with that orange energy you're visualizing in your aura and in your container of light. Ready? Om Vam. Breathing in and breathing out. So now we come up to the solar plexus, really straightening up your spine, taking a deep breath in, lifting up your rib cage and feeling your lungs expand. So use your breath to really expand your rib cage, your lungs, and open up the solar plexus chakra, the third chakra, the personal power, the sense of self-worth. So taking a moment and just recalibrating inside the self. I am worthy. I am worthy of peace, harmony, abundance, whatever it is. Breathing in, breathing out. Yellow is the energy. High-toned Om is our little exercise, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ra. Do it again, and like a big sunflower in this part of the body, spreading it out and expanding it again through the body into the auric field and feeling it in the container of light, focusing and visualizing on yellow. Ready? Breathing in and breathing out. And imagine meditating more deeply on one of these chakras, these first three that deal with your interactions with the world, with other folks, with your everyday stuff in life. And now we take a deep breath and we focus and visualize green moving up to your chest, the heart chakra, the Anahita chakra, the green energy just spreading out from your heart and spreading into your auric field and your energy field. That energy of love, you might visualize your teachers, your guides, your guardians, your loved ones at this moment, and just feel your heart opening and melting, visualizing the green. You know the exercise. So you just keep doing it. A deep sigh. Letting that sigh bring peace to your cells and your body and your emotional field and your energetic field. Green spreading everywhere. Yum, yum. Green, sort of like a big life force on our planet. After the winter months, we wait for the spring to come again and show us that green. Knowing there's new growth, new life. Yum. 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 And really visualize wrapping as this green spreads out of your heart and into your physical body, and beyond that into your etheric bodies, and beyond that into your container of light. Feel it wrapping around you and touching the organs that need support. You can really get a lot out of this chakra right here, a lot of healing, a lot of sending love to the places in the body that are having difficulty, if you're needing surgeries or whatever it might be. Yum. It takes a little bit of discipline and concentration, but we do these for just not 20 minutes, but you can stop and do these and meditate on them and bring these vibrational energies into your body. I'll have what they call weak bones, so I spend some time increasing the strength in the bones with affirmation and bringing energy to it. So you have to start somewhere, and just doing this for 20 minutes is great. Reminds you that you have chakras, that you can distribute chi force, but you have to, the more you do it, the more you're going to get out of it. Yum. So the fourth chakra, the heart, the green energy, that's the bridge between those first three, the red, the orange, and the yellow, that deal with your human interactions. You're grounded on the earth, your sense of place, home, safety, interactions with others, your sense of self-worth. And of course, the heart is the universal love, so it's the bridge bringing us up to this next set of three chakras. The upper chakras, not better, just working in a different way. So the first one, the throat, the blue energy like the sky. And you remember we do the lion breath, the tongue coming out, the paws up. Go ahead, keep going. And feel that sky blue just filling your aura from and your container of light from top to bottom and all the way around, swirling, and bring it through your consciousness and your throat. May I speak with compassion, love, and clarity. Compassion for myself and for others. Truth, clarity. In the way of light. So with the lion breath, the tongue comes out, the paws flare up. You remember that breath. Important breath. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum, H-U-M as well, and we go in and we chant it with that blue energy spreading through. Hum, hum. And breathing in and breathing out. From the blue, we move up to the third eye, the indigo. This third eye chakra is the place where I stop and take a moment for the practice of gratitude. So bringing your palms up, holding them open around the heart chakra, somewhere around the heart, the throat chakra, wherever they land, and taking a moment to visualize all those things you have to be grateful for. You can speak them out. I'm grateful for this moment, for this fuzzy cat in my lap. I'm grateful for the trees outside, this circle, my breath, all of you. I'm grateful that I'm awake and aware, even though maybe I don't hold it 100% of the time. I'm grateful that I have tools to help me remember and hold it more. So holding the palms open, start to focus on the third eye and the indigo, the twilight sky, the deep, deep sapphire blue, a little hint of purple in it, indigo, breathing in and out. It's a high-pitched ee. To wake it up, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham. Sham, Sham, Sham. Breathing in and out. Feeling that indigo, the third eye, the place where we come out of separation and we have the ability to see a bigger picture with wholeness. Dropping our prejudices, dropping our discriminations and our judgments. Breathing in and out. Let's do this one more time. Indigo, bathe the third eye with the voice, the power of your thoughts, your directions, the sounds, the breath. Sham, Sham. You can turn the palms towards the chest, the heart. You can bring them together in Anjali Mudra. As you continue to breathe and fill your container of light, your auric field, with white light, purple going to white light. Amethyst going to white light, violet going to white light. Bringing that in, the top of the head, the crown chakra. Keep the palms open to receive at the end of the exercise sound, which is wah, 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 going up to the highest note you can with it. You allow yourself to have time to receive back a shower of light from spirit. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. And once again, so those hands might be in Anjali Mudra, they might be still open to receive. Just start to bring them back, palm to palm, and we're going to go ahead and close with the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra that goes with the crown chakra, which is Om. Ready? Om.